yourself.
Sir?
Tell us about
Yes,
yourself.
sir. Sir, I am Sharmista Panda. Sir, I am Sharmista Panda. I am from Cuttack. I have passed my 10th from Sri Sakta Sai School, Cuttack. Thereafter, I have pursued my plus 2 from Ravenshaw Junior College, Cuttack. And thereafter, I have done my post-graduation from OUAT, Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, and MSc in Department of Nematology.
What are your areas of interest?
Sir, in terms of civil services?
No. Like your hobby.
Yes, sir. Sir, I like to play basketball. I am a national basketball player.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Sir, apart from that, I left with little time because I have to study and I have to play as well. So I like to spend time with my family and friends. So, sir, that's all.
Who wrote Tapaswini?
Sir?
Who wrote Tapaswini?
Tapashwini, sir, Pratibha Rai. I guess, sir, I am not sure.
No. Pratibha Rai is not written Tapaswini. He is written by a very famous poet from Western Odisha.
Yes.
I'm giving you the hint.
Sir, I am unable to recall.
What about Manoj Das?
Manoj Das?
Manoj Das नाम सुन सर.
Sir, no, sir.
Figure from Udiya medium?
No, sir.
No. Still, you might have heard Manoj Das. Okay.
An international figure. He hails from Odisha and he's a bilingual writer.
Sir, I have read on that.
What is BRICS?
Sir, BRICS is the Association of Developing Countries in which Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa are there. Recently, Iran has been added to the group.
Added?
Sir, process is ongoing, sir.
Iran is added to BRICS or SCO?
Sir, I am confused by
Yes, you are confused. Iran is added to Shanghai Cooperation
Shanghai
Organizations,
Cooperation.
not BRICS.
Yes, sir.
Don't mislead the board. They will pick you and grill you. Okay. Sir. Madam Patsan. अच्छा, you were appointed as Assistant Agriculture Officer, na?
Yes, sir.
What is the place of posting now?
Sir, Balangir. Sir,
Balangir?
yes, sir. Sir, I have not joined.
You
I
have
have been
not
only appointed, sir.
Okay. So, what are the inputs of agriculture? Agriculture input, agriculture process.
Yes, sir. So there are various inputs like seed, fertilizer, pesticides, nematicides, and irrigation, and sir, like biofertilizers. Sir,
What do you mean by biofertilizer?
sir, biofertilizers are the form of fungus or bacteria that are given to the plants in terms of they are environmental friendly and they are not harmful like pesticides or fertilizers. So, sir, they are basically like pseudomonas and all. They are biofertilizers, sir.
Pseudomonas.
Sir, azola, like
Azola,
yes.
anabana, these are
Anabana, blue, green.
Yes, these are biofertilizers. Okay. Okay. What do you mean by genetically modified crop?
Yes, sir. So genetically modified crops are the mechanisms in which the genetics of the basic genetic of the crop is changed so that there would be more resistance to pest and insect and more productivity could also be raised with that.
Name few genetically modified crop.
So like Bacillus thuringiensis, BT cotton, BT brinjal is on process, BT mustard.
Okay. How much area is occupied by forest in Odisha?
Sir, according to ISFR 2021 report, it is nearly 33%, sir, in Odisha.
Very good. So, tell me that what is a public accounts committee?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is a parliamentary committee which takes care of the various heads of government's budget or means financial aspects of government. Sir, more about it,
Okay, who heads the PSC?
sir, I'm unable to recall.
It is from the ruling party or opposition party?
Sir, Public Accounts Committee, sir, I think ruling party, and Estimate Committee, opposition party, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, what is Article 32 of Indian Constitution?
Yes, sir. Sir, it gives the very it is called as the heart and soul of the Constitution. It gives the very basic rights or very basic. It makes the fundamental rights more justiciable in nature. Sir, if anyone can fundamental rights.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And writs are also part of it, sir.
Can approach the
Sir, can approach the High Court or Supreme Court directly also, sir.
Article 32 approach to
Supreme Court. Yes, sir.
On which article there is options of approaching to High Court?
Sir, which article to High Court, sir?
Which article talks about approach to High Court? Writs issued by High Court. I have got 226.
226, yes, sir.
Achha, Finance Commission. What is the Finance Commission?
Yes, sir. Sir, Finance Commission is under article, and Finance Commission is a commission of government that deals with the financial aspects like the
Finance Commission of Government.
Sir, finance.
It origin from government or constitution?
Sir, constitutional status has been given to Finance
Which
Commission.
article?
Sir, State Finance Commission is Article 242, and sir, Central Finance Commission, sir.
I am asking about Finance Commission. Article number 280.
280, yes.
Okay. So, what is the role of Finance Commission?
Yes, sir. Sir, it deals with the devolution of financial resources to the states and UTs also.
Okay. What is the hierarchy of Panchayat Raj institutions?
Panchayati Raj institutions, sir. Sir, Panchayati Raj institution, Jilla Parishad, then sir, Panchayat Samiti and Gram Sabha, sir.
Gram Sabha is not there in Panchayat.
Gram Panchayat, sir.
It is Gram. What is the difference between Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat?
Sir, Gram Sabha constitute a number of Gram Sabhas constitute Gram Panchayat. So, like the villagers constitute, like some members constitute Gram Sabha, and upper to that, sir, I think it is Gram
Okay,
Panchayat.
go and read what is Gram Sabha.
Yes.
Because Gram Sabha is very important. Achha, have you heard of something called as Niyamgiri Hill?
Niyamgiri Hills, yes, sir.
Where it is located?
Sir, it is located in Western Belt.
Western Belt. It will be posted in Balangir. Niyamgiri is located. What is the neighboring districts of Balangir?
Balangir, sir, Bargarh, then Kalahandi.
It is located in Kala.
Niyamgiri.
Niyamgiri is located in Kala. Niyamgiri case is like recently few years back. Manoj?
So tribals, so some area related disputes, land related disputes, I think.
Related to mining.
Mining.
So tell me how many PVTCs are there in India?
Sir, in
Odisha.
India,
Odisha.
sir, in Odisha, 13 PVTGs are there.
Name few examples.
Sir, like Kondha, Kondh, and sir, Mankadia tribes, and sir,
Saura.
Bhuiya,
Saura.
Saura,
Achha, have you heard of something called as Dongoria Kondh?
Dongoria, yes, sir, Dongoria.
Those Kondhas are living in the
Niyamgiri
Niyamgiri.
Hills.
Okay. That was a dispute, and Gram Sabha ultimately decided the issue. Supreme Court of India told that it is the Gram Sabha which will decide the issue. And the Gram Sabha that decided it in the favor of not mining that area. Okay?
Yes.
That's why Vedanta company moved away from Niyamgiri.
Yes, sir.
That is the power of Gram Sabha. So read about Gram Sabha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have read entomology, soil science, and agronomy. Okay. Nematology.
Sir, MSc, ma'am, MSc I have done in nematology. These are the basics. Sir, it is the study of microorganisms which are invisible to human eyes. They affect mostly the root underground parts of the plant. They form galls basically, and the symptoms can be seen in patches in the fields. That is nematology.
Then entomology?
Ma'am, it is the study of insects and pests. Entomology. Yes, ma'am.
So do you know exotic species?
Yes, yes, sir.
What do you mean by exotic species?
Sir, exotic species are the species which are not indigenous to our country. They are been imported from foreign or from foreign lands, sir.
What is your home district?
Cuttack, sir.
Cuttack.
Yes.
Name few freedom fighters from Cuttack.
Sir, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose,
Born in
Odia Bazaar, Cuttack.
Odia Bazaar. Next.
Yes. Sir, then Biju Patnaik from Cuttack. Then Sir Madhusudan Rao.
Rao.
Madhusudan Das, sir.
Born in?
Sir, born in Cuttack, sir, but exact location.
You had the name Satyabhamapur.
Satyamahapur, yes, sir.
Okay, next.
So then freedom fighters like Gauri Shankar Roy. Sir. Then sir, these are the names right now.
Okay. So in Cuttack you find the forest division.
Forest division.
Where in Cuttack we find a forest, a conserved forest.
Nandankan forest, sir, Chandaka.
Chandaka
Wildlife
is-
sanctuary.
No, it is not there in Cuttack. Athagad forest division, you know.
Athagad, yes, sir.
Acha. What are the major industries? You can say what is the specialty of Cuttack district in terms of industries?
Sir, industry sir, industries. There are few industries in Cuttack that coal Mahanadi it is a gamble of coals. So, sir, industry in terms of minerals, sir, I am unable to recall. But silver filigree industry,
Handicraft
sir,
industry.
handicraft industry
Yes.
is very famous. So this.
There is something Jagatpur Industrial Estate, Jagatpur.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Name few literary figures from Cuttack.
Sir, Pratibha Rai.
Tibarai.
Sir, sir, other literary. Sir, Pratibha Rai is right now, sir.
Right now,
She is, I'm calling.
she is from Cuttack.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the famous cultural? What is the cultural significance of Cuttack? Cultural
Yes, sir.
significance for
Yes, sir. Sir, Cuttack has been located in the banks of Mahanadi River. The trade and commerce was primarily through Mahanadi River to Indonesia. So, sir, Boita Bandana is and Bali Jatra is the cultural significance. Sir, apart from that, sir, other festivals like Raja and all, they are also celebrated.
Baravati Durga ki Trikot.
Baravati Durga, sir, Market Keshari. Yes, sir.
Cuttack जो महानदी बंध हुई सब की तरीके.
Sir, the idea was it was a brainchild of Baimundi, but sir, exactly who did it?
Okay.
So, what are the natural resources? What do you mean by natural resources?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, natural resources are something that is the gift of our nature or our mother earth. So, ma'am, like water, land, air, and other mineral resources could also be natural. Forests, ma'am.
Then how to conserve?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, forest conservation has been a burning issue. Like they have been protected in through various acts, like Forest Conservation Act 1980, through which it is restricted. Forest could not be devoted to non-agricultural purposes, sir, or non-forest purposes. Then also CAMPA, compulsory afforestation program, has been implemented since 2016. Ma'am, then Forest Right Acts, various forest rights, the Indian Forest Act and all. So these are the steps. Apart from that, we could conserve voluntarily also, like Vana Mahotsav in the first week of July. Currently it is going on. Like in schools and college, administrators, bureaucrats and other officials, they plant the trees, and like this we can conserve forest.
Then water.
Water. How to
Water.
conserve water?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, water conservation has been also government has implemented various acts like Water Conservation Act 1972, and ma'am, water conservation, like there is restricted use of water for industrial purpose, and the drainage system has also been strengthened, like filters are kept while draining the water from industries. So ma'am, these are some provisions through which we conserve water.
Then environmental pollutions. How to do it?
So, ma'am, environmental pollution, there are primarily 3 to 4 types, like ma'am, soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution. Ma'am, soil pollution we can prevent by by restrictive use of fertilizers and pesticides so that they do not penetrate deep inside the soil, and also water conservation. We could also do that, like we can use biofertilizer, biopesticides, and these are the primary sources of soil pollution. Water pollution, ma'am, industry and all I have mentioned. And noise pollution, we can plant trees and green mufflers, green belt of trees we can also plant. So noise pollution. And air pollution, we can restrict the the smokes and fumes of industries, and more of trees we could plant, afforestation program and all. By this we can conserve air.
Then what is GDP?
Yes, ma'am. GDP is gross domestic product, that is calculated by income of peoples living in our country, like, and nation, and it also includes the foreign nations contribution to the country. Like it is the economy of our country as a whole.
Given period of
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Given period of time.
Yes.
Geographical area.
In a given period of time.
given period of then what is fiscal deficit?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is the difference between the expenditure and income. It is the more the income of the government, like foreign. Ma'am, it is the difference between that.
Difference between the total income and total
Expenditure.
That's all. Fiscal deficit. अच्छा ये ओडिया रामायण के लिखो
रामायण बलराम दास.
बलराम दास ठीक महाभारत
महाभारत शारदा दास.
भागवत
भगवत जगन्नाथ दास.
Who is the highest? What is the highest literary award of Odisha?
Literary award, sir, I think आदि बड़ी जगन्नाथ दास.
आदि बड़ी नहीं, अति बड़ी.
अति बड़ी, sir. Yes.
अति बड़ी जगन्नाथ दास. What is the highest literary award of India?
Literary award of India, sir. Sir, I am unable to recall.
ज्ञानपीठ award. Okay.
Sir?
ज्ञानपीठ award.
Yeah.
ज्ञानपीठ award.
Yes.
You can name few figures in Odisha got ज्ञानपीठ award.
Sir, I am unable to recall.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is a hypothetical question. You have mentioned like that you have been the 7 times champion of basketball.
Yes.
Given a choice to make your career in the basket,
Yes, sir.
would you come into that of the civil service?
Sir, actually, sir, sports have their own limitations. Like after a certain age, after 25, 26 or per se 30, sir, we could not be much efficient. And sir, given our health and other issues, sir, ligament injuries and all, so sir, I would prefer with civil services for that matter, sir. Otherwise, sir, I would have gone for that.
But your passion lies in the.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What about Magic Johnson?
Sir?
Magic Johnson.
Yes, sir.
Who is he?
Sir, Jordan, sir, Michael Jordan, you are
Magic
telling?
Johnson or Jordan? Sorry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who is he?
Sir, he is the international basketball player of US.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, he is a legend of. He is called a legend of basketball. So, sir, he is a prominent figure in that field, sir.
Thank you.
Well done.
Going to